This is what happens if you forget to score your bread, which I did. So I baked this loaf today, and of course it didn't rise very much. It's still real hot. It just came out of the oven. But it's not going to be a total failure. I can tell weight-wise that it is light enough. Not perfectly light, but light enough. There just wasn't any way for the dough to expand naturally because it crusted over so quickly before it had a chance to rise. So by scoring it, you allow it to break free and open up as it's in the oven. So I'm not going to waste this. This is a good loaf of bread, perfectly fine to slice it after it's cooled and eat it. But I just wanted to show you this on the video just to show you what would happen if you forget to score your bread. So it's not the end of the world. It's definitely not going to look as pretty as the loaves do when you do properly score it. Anyway, so that's what this bread turned out like. And I got distracted and forgot to score it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. We're going to be in the garden soon, so stay tuned.